Welcome all of you. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this nice exponential problem. If e raised to power x plus 2 is equal to e raised to power x plus e raised to power 2, then we are supposed to solve for x in this question. So let's get started and see. First of all, we are going to rewrite and simplify this part. For that, we are going to use an exponent law that says if e raised to power m plus n, then this is equal to e raised to power m time e raised to power n. So using that law, we can write this as e raised to power x time e raised to power 2 is equal to e raised to power x plus e raised to power 2. In the next step, we are going to take this e raised to power x to left hand side. So it will become negative minus e raised to power x is equal to e raised to power 2. Here we can see e raised to power x as common, and inside the parentheses we have e square minus 1 is equal to e square. E raised to power will be written as it is, and here e raised to power 2, and this e raised to power 2 minus 1 will be taken to right hand side, so it will be divided e square minus 1. As we are supposed to find the value of x, so this power x will be written on base and this is equal to ln e square over e square minus 1. This is the required value of x. I hope it is clear to you. If not, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.